Today, I'll walk you through how to use OneNote more effectively in meetings, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to organize your meeting notes in OneNote so you can enhance your productivity and collaboration. Let's get started. First, open your OneNote desktop application. This is your digital notebook where you can capture and organize all your meeting notes. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Now let's create a page specifically for your meeting. This will serve as a dedicated space where you can jot down notes, action items, and any other important information. To do this, simply click on the Add Page button on the side panel. This is like setting up a blank canvas for your thoughts. Next, navigate to the Home tab and click on the Meetings option. If your OneNote is connected to your Teams account, this will display all the details of the meetings you have scheduled. Think of it as having a personal assistant that pulls all your meeting information together in one place. Very handy. Once you have the meeting details on your page, take a moment to check if you have already listed the topics and items to discuss. This is crucial for staying organized and ensuring that you cover everything during the meeting. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just make sure you have everything you need to facilitate a productive discussion. Additionally, ensure that any visuals like screenshots or documents are attached to your meeting page. Visual aids can significantly enhance understanding and retention, making your meetings more effective. You can easily drag and drop images or use the Insert tab to add files directly into your notes. As we wrap up, remember that using OneNote effectively in meetings can transform the way you capture and manage information. By following these steps, you can streamline your note-taking process and ensure that you're always prepared for your discussions. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.